Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Andhra Moong Dal, green Moong Dal peseret at your home. So for the green Moong Dal, what you need, here I took 1 cup of green Moong Dal. I'm going to add 1 more cup. So here I added 2 cup of green dal, and into this I'm going to add 2 tablespoon of rice. So for 1 cup we have to add 1 tablespoon, but I added 2 cups of dal and I'm going to add 2 cups of rice. So here I added 2 tablespoon of rice and I'm going to wash this dal and the rice in the water. So here I added the water guys, and we have to soak this dal and the rice for up to 4 to 5 hours in the water. And this is very good for the weight loss also guys. So this is a low carb food. Hey guys, the dal is soaked very nicely. So I'm going to grind this one after 4 to 5 hours. And in this I added lot of ginger because we are making with dal. So ginger is good for digestion. And here I added 1 green chili. This is spicy. So yeah. And in this I'm going to add little bit of water because we have to make as a smooth batter. So in this batter, I added the salt, how much salt we want in our peseret, and the ink powder. It gives the nice flavor in this peseret. So I added the fresh curry leaves. It gives the nice taste in this peseret guys. And no fermentation is required like dosa batter. So yeah, so we can grind it and we can make this peseret. And I'm going to add little bit of water when I'm making the peseret because the batter is little bit thick. So before making the peseret, what I'm going to do, I'm going to grease the tawa with the oil and I'm going to rub this oil in all over the place in tawa. So you have to rub with the paper so that the peseret won't stick in this iron tawa. If you want to use it in the non-stick, you can prepare it in the non-stick also. So it's time to prepare this peseret. So we have to put, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to do like this, like dosa. So it should be thin guys, and I'm going to add the oil in the surroundings. So it's time to turn this peseret into the other side. So can you see the color guys? It came out very perfectly. So if you want to add chopped onion, you can add the chopped onion. So like a stuffing. So here I am making one more, and you have to turn to the other side. So this is a quick video of how to make Moong Dal Pesarettu, green Moong Dal Pesarettu at your home. So this is very healthy recipe, guys, and very good for the weight loss also. So yeah, and I have the hotel sambar along with this specialty. You can have with this specialty with any chutney. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make moong dal specialty at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.